Jamaat-e-Islami of occupied Kashmir has categorically disassociated itself from what it called a newly launched BJP-backed so-called political party. Jamaat-e-Islami occupied Kashmir, in a strongly worded statement issued in Srinagar, reiterated the unwavering commitment to its core principles and the ideology. India has expedited its military activities across occupied Kashmir, a move widely perceived as an attempt to consolidate the control and intimidate the local population. The civil society members have raised alarms over the escalated military presence, contradicting the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's recent assertion that the situation in the territory is under control. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, who holds the office in the name only, while the real power rests with the Delhi-appointed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, is facing criticism for his recent remarks on the Article 370, which did not sit well with the people of the territory. Umar Abdullah, in a recent media interview, claimed that the pro-freedom activities had declined following the revocation of Article 370, a narrative promoted by the India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party to justify the illegal actions. Anti-Muslim rally was taken out, which culminated in the demolition of at least one shop belonging to a Muslim family in Maharashtra, India, against the alleged Pakistan Zindabad slogan raised during the India-Pakistan cricket match on Sunday. The tensions escalated in the Malwan village after two individuals allegedly raised the slogans of Pakistan Zindabad. The incident led to the protest and the arrest of the two individuals. The India Out movement, a phenomenon associated with the South Asian politics aimed at resisting the India's growing interference across the region, anti-India sentiments are fueling a wave of the political and the cultural pushback against New Delhi's interference from the Maldives to Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan in the region. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has recently criticized the Modi government for snatching the funds allocated for the scholarships benefiting the students from marginalized communities. In a post on X, Kharge lashed out at the BJP-led Indian government, stating that Narendra Modi ji, your government has snatched the scholarships of the students of the SC, ST, OBC and the minority categories in the country.